Today we are going to discuss how to insert images in our web pages using HTML. Images can be used in three different ways. Firstly, as a background for the web page. Secondly, images can be inserted with the text. And lastly, we can use images as hyperlinks. So let's begin. So let's discuss how to set image as a background for a web page. Open Notepad, write the following code. For setting image as in background, we need to insert an attribute inside the body tag, that is background equals to the location of the image. Suppose I am taking the image 3 which is residing on my desktop, so I am writing directly its name. Otherwise you can copy its exact location or the path name. You can write the random tag text. Body tag close. Save your file. You can run your file. You can see the results. We are using an image to set it as the background for the desired web page. Now let's move to the next point, that is how we can insert image within the text. So let's make changes to the same code. Open the coding section. I'm removing the background. Suppose we want to insert the image at the end of the paragraph. We can write img tag source attribute equals to the image name. I'm using the same image as I have used for the background, that was image3.jpg. Save your code by pressing Ctrl S. You can note the changes by reloading the page. Now you can see an image has been inserted right below the text. Suppose we want to align this image towards the center. We can write save your code, reload your file. Sorry, the word has to be center, that is TER. Again save your file, reload the page. The image get aligned towards the center. Analyzing the code, we are using different attributes inside the image tag, where first attribute is source. This attribute describes the source or the path of the image. It instructs the browser where to look for the image on the server. Second attribute is alt. The alt attribute defines an alternate text for the image if it can't be displayed. The value of the alt attribute describes the image in words. The height attribute specifies the height of the image measured in pixels, and the width attribute specifies the width of the image, again measured in pixels. So we have seen how to insert an image within the text. Now we are going to discuss how to use image as hyperlink. That is, on clicking the image, we must reach to a new web page. So let's make changes in the coding. Again, I am deleting the previous code, and the code that must be added for adding a hyperlink, that is a tag href equals to the URL of the page that must be opened on clicking the image. I am using form.html. This form or this page must be pre-designed. Instead of using the text link, we are using the image tag over here. img src a tag close for closing the hyperlink. Again save your code by pressing Ctrl S. You can reload your file. You can see on clicking the minute image, I can use this image as a image hyperlink. Thank you.